Everything looks normal until it doesn't. Alarms appear, indicators change, and suddenly the UPS everyone trusted feels uncertain. In modular UPS systems, failures rarely start loudly. They begin quietly, often unnoticed. A single module is missing, redundancy is reduced, but the system still looks normal. Preventive maintenance begins. A module is removed, load instantly shifts to the remaining modules. A replacement is inserted, but it is not fully active, installed but not contributing. Battery alarms appear and disappear. No clear pattern, no immediate action. Utility power returns, yet the UPS remains on battery, waiting for stable conditions. Generator power fluctuates, frequency drifts. The UPS responds cautiously. One module refuses input. In a parallel system, one weak module affects the whole system. Load sharing becomes uneven. Stress concentrates silently. Then, without warning, the system transfers to bypass. Dust restricts airflow. Cooling efficiency drops. A single fan fails. Temperature rises. Firmware versions do not match. Communication weakens. Monitoring data exists, but trends are ignored. Batteries stop charging correctly. Battery rooms run warmer than designed. Load increases as facilities expand, but the UPS is never revalidated. Alarms become routine. Warnings are acknowledged, not investigated. A module finally fails. No spare is available. And when a real incident begins, everyone arrives. Facility, it, OEM, but no one clearly owns the system. Because modular UPS failures are not just technical, they are operational, they are procedural, and they are preventable.